Hi! In front of me is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this Motorola. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then select Continue and tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle after choosing Got It in this pop-up. Now click on Downloads category at the top, and as you can see, all my downloads are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!